Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Merchant Center, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Linking your Google Merchant Center account to Google Ads allows you to use your product data for shopping campaigns, dynamic marketing, and other features. So once you are logged into your account here in Google Merchant Center, I want you to go to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon, which is the settings and tools, and I want you to click the apps and services. What will happen is for you to be able to link Google Merchant Center to your Google Ads or to Google Ads, you might want to ensure you have their prerequisites. Number one is you need admin access to both Google Merchant Center and Google Ads account. The Merchant Center and Ads account must belong to the same Google account or allow access between the accounts. All right. Now from here, all I have to do is click the Google services, click the ad service, and I need you to click the Google Ads, which in this section can get more customers and sales, and I want you to click on next. You see, it will link to Google Ads. Now, if this is going to be a new account, you might want to confirm your online store if you haven't already. You can simply create a new Google Ads account that will automatically be linked to your business manager. Now, say for example, you have an account you don't manage because, again, remember that the Merchant Center and Ads account must belong to the same Google account, or if not, you should allow access between the accounts. All right. Now from here, all you have to do is enter the Google Ads customer ID, and the link request will need to be approved by the Google Ads account admin. For example, you are working with multiple freelancers or with your client, and the client has the access to the Google Ads account admin, and you only have the access to the Merchant Center. Now, all I have to do is type in the Google Ads customer ID, and where do I find it? It should be just here. All right. So enter your business name, create your first campaign, and you would have your first Google Ads here and get the ID. If you successfully created your campaign, you should be able to get your ID, and then you can now enter the Google Ads customer ID, for example, this, and click on next. Well, what happened is you would be forwarded to this. You see, you can link Google Ads to Merchant Center. The Merchant Center will have access to data from Google Ads. You see, it's like there's like kind of be like an icon here. Now you can put in the account name, and the ID will be shared. You can also create Google Ads campaign using product information from your Merchant Center and view metrics related to ads such as number of clicks in the Google Merchant Center. And all you have to do for it to happen is click the link option here. Now, if that happens, you want to make sure that the Google Ads customer ID is correct. All right. You might need to get the access to your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, because this integration will help you optimize your ads using the up-to-date product from the Merchant Center, enhancing the performance of your campaigns. Otherwise, if you're still having problems linking both the Google Merchant Center and the Google Ads, you might want to contact the Google customer support here. Click the contact us and type in your concern. All right, and they should give you an insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.